Rotating the dial into the yellow section accesses the differential temperature and differential pressure measurement function, combining high accuracy pressure measurement for performing single and differential measurement, for tests such as working or burner pressure, timed let-by, stabilization and tightness tests, with high accuracy temperature measurements using optional probes, for performing single and differential temperature measurements for tests such as surface temperature and flow and return. This section also operates in exactly the same way as the KANE455. As in the orange section, there is firstly the menu, providing a means to change parameters, for example, clear the memory, change pressure settings, etc. Using the up and down keys will allow you to select what you need, and pressing send will confirm selection. There is also the same status page, which will let you know what the current internal battery state of charge is, the time, the date, and very importantly, the number of days left until calibration is required. Next on the dial is PRS, which is a pressure test. To carry out a pressure test, ensure the pressure hose is not connected to the analyzer and rotate the dial to PRS. By selecting PRS, the pump will stop. Press the pump button to auto-zero the pressure sensor. This ensures an accurate reading. Using the black connectors and manometer hose, connect to P1 plus or minus for single pressure, or P1 and P2 for differential pressure. We'll now carry out a live inlet working pressure test. Please always refer to boiler manufacturer's instructions when carrying out this test. To check the inlet working pressure of a boiler, zero the pressure sensor of the KANE457 by pressing the pump button. Connect the orange pressure hose to P1 on the KANE457 and to the correct test point on the boiler as indicated by the boiler manufacturer's instructions. With the boiler firing in maximum mode, check the reading on screen complies with the manufacturer's specification. The readings can now be stored in the internal memory by pressing and holding the send key until a log number appears on the top line. This is now stored for further reference or printing at a later stage. To print a reading, align the printer to the analyzer, make sure the printer is switched on, and a short press of the send key will transmit the readings to the printer. The next position on the dial is a tightness test. To carry out the test, ensure the pressure hose is not connected to the analyzer and select tightness. The pump will stop. Press the pump button to auto-zero the pressure sensor to ensure accuracy. Select yes or no for the let-by test by using up or down key. Press send to confirm yes for a let-by test. Connect from the test point to P1 using a black connector and manometer hose. Adjust the gas pressure to between 7 and 10 millibar in accordance with IGEM UP 1B 3rd edition. Press send to start either the let-by test or the stabilization period. The display is as follows: pressure at the start of the let-by test, real-time pressure reading, let-by default time is 1 minute, can be changed via menu. When complete, adjust the gas pressure up to 20 millibar, then press send to start the stabilization period. The display is as follows: real-time pressure reading, pressure units can be changed via menu. Stabilization default time is 1 minute, can be changed via menu. When complete, press send to start the tightness test. The display is as follows: pressure at start of tightness test, real-time pressure reading, tightness default time is 2 minutes. This can be changed via menu. When complete, the display will show let-by and tightness test are automatically stored as a log number, pressure at start of tightness test, pressure at end of tightness test. The test can be printed immediately or later from the memory. To print the reading, align the printer to the analyzer, make sure the printer is switched on, and a short press of the send key will transmit the readings to the printer. The analyzer's memory can store up to 20 tightness tests. Tightness tests are logged automatically, therefore the tightness section of the memory will be full after the 20th tightness test is complete. Once full and before any further tightness test can be performed, the tightness section of the memory must be cleared. To do this, select Menu, Report, Tightness, delete all, Yes, then press Send. The final option in the yellow section is differential temperature. This function also operates in exactly the same way as the KANE455. Using the KANE457 to measure the flow and return temperature of a boiler, select Diff Temp to measure single and differential temperatures. The pump automatically switches off when the dial is moved to Diff Temp. Connect the pipe clamp probe to T1 and T2 of the analyzer and then to the appropriate pipe work. The display will now show T1, the temperature of the flow, T2 the return, and the differential temperature. The display is as follows. Use the T1 connection for the flow temperature sensor. Use the T2 connection for the return temperature sensor. Real-time temperature difference. Press Send for 1 second to do a live print of the differential temperature test. Also sends to PC and Android app if Bluetooth fitted. Hold Send for 2+ seconds to log a differential temperature report. The award-winning KANE457 has been designed to be as easy to use as possible and offer great value for money. If you'd like more information on the KANE457 or other products within the Kane range, then please visit our website www.kane.co.uk or contact us directly on 01707 384 810. Invest in your future.